How to pan audio tracks left and right in AudioLab. First of all, open the AudioLab app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Navigate to the audio editing tools section and select the mix tool. Import the audio track you want to work with. Once the audio loads, look at the right side of the audio waveform. You will see plus and minus signs, which allows you to pan the audio track toward the left or right channel. Adjust these controls to achieve the desired stereo placement for your audio. You can combine panning with volume adjustments, EQ, and effects to create a rich, well-balanced mix. AudioLab's real-time preview allows you to hear the changes instantly, helping you fine-tune the placement of every instrument, vocal, or effect. Once you are satisfied with the stereo balance, tap the Save button to apply the changes and export your final track. Now you know how to pan audio tracks left and right in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.